All right, y'all. It's my beautiful girlfriend, Brianna Christine, coming back at y'all with another wonderful video. Take a little chug, getting ready to do this makeup. Hope y'all enjoy. Now, I'm putting this little pencil around my lips. Oh, hot mess. No way. Not a hot mess. I don't know who put that there, but that's a lie. Anyway, yes, girl. Yes, you looking good. That hair looking on point, on fleek. Pose for them. You got that Hydro Cool Firm eye gels. You putting it under your eyes. We got the Macarico oil and the eyebrow pencil. We about to get it going. Now we putting this on our eyebrow, and we're trying to make it look full and nice and voluptuous, looking nice and thick, just like my eyebrow. She want to have it nice and thick like her baby. Oh, but it looks good. It's looking real good. You just gotta spread it out, spread it all around. Use that eyebrow brush that we told y'all about earlier. Just spread it. You see how the left one looks a little bit thicker? That's the look you're going for. So you just wanna even it out. Use that on that other eyebrow, point it out, make it nice and pointy, nice and thick, because that's what the boys like. Yeah, so you gotta clean it up around. Make sure it looks good. Talk to whoever's in the room with you there. Now you just point it up, point it out. You keep using that brush it out. You got these things under your eyes. We got the Caramex for the lips. Can't have those crusty lips for me, baby. Keep them nice and juicy. Then you peel that thing that we told y'all, that mask. We peeling it off, and you smell it. Oh man, that smells so bad. I didn't know she did this. Why was she doing smelling this stuff? So you smell that, then you put these fake teardrops under your eyes, look like you crying, then you rub it in gently, then you grab the little small brush that I bought you, baby. That's that small brush with the Pro Conceal. We about to apply that. Then we sing into it first because it likes to be sung to, so it comes out nice and smooth. Then you put it under your eyebrow, those nice thick juicy eyebrows that you did earlier. You put them under, and then you put it above as well. And then now you put it in between your eyebrows, just like that. You mask it in, trying to make it look the same color as your skin tone. And then you just dab. Then you're putting it under the other eyebrow. You're just repeating the same process. That's all we're doing here, people. What you do to one side, you're gonna really do to the other side. Now you do it under your eyeballs. Get those bags. You don't want those bags, ladies. You put it over your eye, under your eye, around your lips. It looks like a little Pocahontas type of thing going on here. Then you grab that e.l.f. small stipple brush. That's that brush that I got her again. See, my money is being spent well. Then she's rubbing it in. Rub. You want to move your little head wrap back so you could get those edges, get those edges out the way. Then you got the Wet n Wild thing. And then you got the Amrezy. I definitely paid for that. It was like a good $60. Then you got the Mophie brush, the little skinny one. Then you dance a little bit. And then you apply that on your upper eye, your eyelid, if you will. And then you just keep on rubbing it with that new little brush that we showed y'all earlier. You just keep on rubbing it. Then you put this one that looks a little more bronze on your eyelid as well. And then you want to combine those and mix those together. Make it look nice and smooth, baby. This Amrezy palette is the bomb. Then you rub it on the other eyeball, and then it looks a little crazy. Then you hit them with the dance, make a little love, get down tonight. Yes. And you got the Mega Liner, Wet n Wild. That we're using as eyeliner to make it nice and pointy, because she knows what I like. I like those pointy eyes, baby. And then, you make that little cat-looking eye. And then we got these adhesive strip lash for those mega volume lashes, baby. We're about to put on some fake lashes. Let's get it. Those things be flying all around the house. You take a little sip of water. Stay nice and hydrated, y'all. Tight line, the It. Then we use that to make these eyelashes pop, make them a little more voluptuous, a little more juicy. And then we use the Fit 360 Mocha. And then there was another one that it went by too quick for me to see. But you're going to apply all that on your face, one after the other. Then you move those edges out of the way again. We got rid of those church pantyhose that we had wrapped around our head. but it's all good. We just move the edges away, and then we just dab all this in our skin. Keep it nice and sexy out there, ladies. Then you grab that other brush, that real expensive brush, and you grab one of these orange little squeezies, and then you just mix it in and you dab it, blend it, if you will. You blend it all around, get under those eyeballs. Make sure you don't get it in your eyeballs, because then you gotta rinse your eyeballs out, and that's not gonna be fun. And then now you just get all around, and you grab this other brush that got the real thick top and the real skinny bottom. I don't know what the difference is between all these brushes, but I'm sure you all know more than me. So now you're gonna get through all around your face. You're gonna mix it nice and neat. Fit Me 360 powder, baby. That's the next one that we're using, and we're using this other very fancy, expensive brush. And then now we got the instant eraser. We're putting that to erase those crow's feet and erase those bags, ladies. You're gonna make it to nice little 2 triangles, and then you got like a little 3 clawed hand in the middle of your eyes, like right there where your unibrow would connect, if you had a unibrow, ladies. Let's hope you don't. But anyway, we're gonna mix that together. It looks like a little Native American symbol. You want that Native American symbol, the boys go crazy for that. And then you mix it all in together with that squeezy orange egg looking thing again. And then now we got that same brush that we used earlier, and we're gonna just mix it, and then you curl your lips, and then you mix it a little more. You fix your hair, you make sure you're looking good. We got the Saharan thing, and then oh man, that brush, she shouldn't have sat on that brush. Now she's all sad and upset. Oh, she still looks so cute and beautiful. So now we're getting to the best part here. This is the part that the boys go crazy for. You're gonna contour that face. Yeah, that's right. You're gonna contour that face. You're gonna make your cheekbones look more defined than what they are, ladies. And then now we got this other makeup that we're using. I didn't catch the name, but it's all good. We're gonna just keep on up and down motion, from your eyeballs straight to your cheeks to where your lips are. Now you twist your hair up, you flip it up, try and keep it out your way. Then you listen to some music on your ear pods because you're nice and cool. And then you got this little pencil thing that we're using for our lips again. I thought we used this in the beginning, but I guess we're using it again. It's all good. We use the pencil thing on your lips to keep them nice and defined, and keep those lips nice and plump and juicy looking, just like I like. So now you hit it with a smile, and then you got the NYX gloss. You apply that lip gloss to the lips. There we go. Keep it nice and shiny, nice and sleek, nice and sexy. That's it. You talk to yourself, because you're a little crazy. You need to entertain yourself, talk to yourself. It's all good. Fix it, forget it. You spray that thing on your face. You air it out. You use a little pamphlet. You use a book, like you in church. You just keep on drying. Then you got this little pink brush that we're using. Little pink brush does the trick every time. Fix up that little contour that we got, you know what I'm saying? And then you mix in that other makeup that went by too fast to even know what it was. And then you use this little pink brush that Bay likes to use to detangle his own hair, which is me. I love detangling my hair with that brush. That's the best brush money can buy, baby. So now you detangle your hair a little bit, then you spread your hair open. You whatever, you just get that little part in between, and you brush it down nice and smooth. We're brushing the hair out with this little expensive comb, hot comb looking thing. You get in there. When regular brushes don't do the trick, you got to get this bad boy in there to get it nice and detangled. So now you flip your hair back. You're trying to make another part. You part it, and then now you just use a regular circle rolly brush, And then now you're using that pink one with the flat iron, whatever it's called, flat hair iron. And then we're keeping it nice and toasty. Look at that. You can see the steam coming out. It looks like you're making some pancakes or something on the stove, baby. Now you stop, you do a little dance, sachet, you take a little chug of tequila. Now you get back into it. And now you flip your hair up, get that hair up out the way. Oh, you keep it one eye. One eye is fine. You can still see. It's all good. You see that steam rolling? That's how you know you're doing it right. So now you use your little pink brush with your little steamroller, and you keep on chugging along. You keep it nice and flat, nice and sexy. Now we got another different hot comb that we got. We comb our hair out. We keep it nice and sexy. Keep it 100. You want to see every little follicle. You want to make sure everyone is nice and neat, nice and straight. Keep it together. So now you flip your hair, and that's really it, guys. The look is wonderful. She looks amazing. This is her little setup that she has going on, all the little brushes, all the makeup. If you guys like this video, please comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Brianna Christine signing out. She looks wonderful, beautiful, sexy, gorgeous. She's the greatest. Subscribe, y'all. Peace.